Yes.
Some adjournment is using some personal difficulty. Can I do Friday or Thursday?
I see.
24 and 30.
For 34, you have the case diary?
No, motion, my lord.
34, oh, yes. 21, next week.
Next week.
Motion.
24 is motion, but other side is there.
34 also motion.
Okay. Monday next.
Fine. I'm obliged.
When did you file?
16.
If it is not defective. If it is not defective, then only. If it is not defective, then only. Got it?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, madam.
Some difficulties today, my lord. Any day you are also continuous.
Lordship, I filed a IF for correction, Lordship. Only correction. Kindly matter may be listed tomorrow, today, Lordship.
Tomorrow.
May I please amend? I beg to mention for listing of a case, that matter was last week on 15/5/20. On your
Okay, day after tomorrow. Wednesday.
Meet please, Lord.
matter to return your. Nothing is the matter. What do you want?
Lordship, one additional affidavit we have filed in item number 59. That may be called. 59 of the supply list.
When did you file?
We have filed today.
Motion.
Yes.
Day after tomorrow.
Obliged.
Very clear, Lordship. Lordship, I am praying for listing of a bail application for withdrawal.
Tomorrow.
Please, Lord. Lordship, I wish to mention item 29. The Lordship, I pass over the matter of correction.
Okay.
Lordship, item number 40.
40 or 14?
One.
Hmm.
May I kindly item 40.
When do you want? When do you want? After a week? Yes.
Lordship, item number 42 and 43 city has not come. And
Item number?
42 and 43.
Hmm.
City has not come, kindly adjourn the matter to that.
This is from which police station?
Guwahati JRPS, my lord.
JPS.
Mr. Parashar, when?
My lord, it is 19. my lord.
They are in custody since when? The petitioners are in custody since when?
Since 5/3. Done 27.
Okay, get it. Mr. Parashar,
My lord.
declare to count, Mr.
Therefore, listing a PA lordship and that is listed before people lordship after 2 weeks, but not listed.
Day after tomorrow.
Lordship, amen.
Please, your Lordship. Like to mention for victim of criminal conviction, Lordship. 22nd May.
23rd. When did you file?
Filed on 8/4/2022,
8/4.
Lordship. Hearing is still good.
It will not come for hearing. If you want, it can come for orders. You cannot make a mention for hearing. Only when it will come for orders, you can make a mention it for hearing. Okay, on 22nd for orders.
Orders for them.
For orders on 22nd,
For withdrawal tomorrow.
tomorrow. Yes, Mr. Bonu.
Regarding item 40, Lordship asked me to make a mention, Lordship, because it came on Friday. Today is the 92
We are
days.
taking up now. itself. You have the information?
Not submitted.
Or Mr. Rasmussen.
One thing I'd like to point out, Lordship, that respondent also is service is yet to be completed, they have not.
Not really. And Mr. K. Das, additional public prosecutor. In connection with the River Police Station case number 08 and section corresponding to GR number 4046 of the 2024. The petitioner was arrested on 16/02/2025. And was also produced before the London Chief Judicial University on the same day. Since then, I 16/02/2025 the petition is investigated. As such, the petition filed its full application under section 4 of the BNSS on 09/04/2025 for his mail. Inside the appears case number 66 corresponding to 0. During the deliberation of matter and on instruction, Mr. Das, on addition of the prosecutor submitted that as on date, search sheet inside jury appears case number has not been filed. Though the petitioner has been given by completed. Ninety days, it is period 90 days in custody. Condition of certainty. Without it, to local service. In the event of finding of such. If you have to put a special judge, now.
Much obliged, Your Honor. Much obliged.
Okay. Petition is in to them. Filing this application under section 4 actually here with us. That will include the on instruction. This thing.
Much obliged, Your Honor. Much obliged.
What's your good name?
Yeah.
A. Hassan.
Yeah, I think we do.
Factor. And H Gupta. Sorry, AK Gupta, right? You are appearing for whom?
For informant mail.
Yes. Yes, thank you. Good. What's your good name?
As Bora Yellow.
Right. Disability level.
Lordship, what happened initially, Lordship, it was under 18B, and while submitting the charge sheet, Lordship, 21C was there. While drafting the petition, Lordship, we have confirmed, Lordship, that only 18B was there. So one IA has been filed to incorporate, Lordship, 21C in the pair cost. The cost detail as well as the prior.
But Mr. Asma, according to the
One additional affidavit also has been filed, Lordship, for the notice, Lordship. No ground of arrest is there, it's a commercial matter, Lordship. Additional affidavit, Lordship.
that has come.
Arrest number as well as the, Lordship.
By the connected bill application number 1175. Petition and English are wait for his query and replace it number 87 of the book. Arriving out of the like under section 18B of the NDP. Pending the 44 of the after filing it's a bill application. The petitioner came to know that in the search filed in such till IPS case number. Along with section 18, we make it smaller big. Probably 21, we can make it C, 20 percent. Though initially at the time of registration, on the section 18B of the NP class. Initially, this was registered under section 18B of the NP. The like is hence this application by the petition for correction of necessary correction by incorporating section 21 in the C of the NP class along with section. Peruse this asset. File submitted in the library's customer. Next to the connected to application number. Considering there. This. Interpretive application. Or correction in cost category incorporating section 21 within the C of the NDPS Act. Along with section 18. Connected to 1175 of the is petitioner. Mr. Munir, we are listing it on 22nd.
Lordship, along with scan copy, Lord, or for
Must be corrected, then we call. That's why it come for motion on 22nd.
recommend, Lordship. By hand we will do correct or no, we will
Register. Register will do it.
much obliged,
Bring it to the notice after this order, bring it to the notice of the register.
much obliged, you know, much obliged.
Please the connected bill application information.
Please. Please, Your Honor. Darshit is pleased to call for the status report of the investigation, madam, but perhaps charge sheet has been submitted.
Charge sheet submitted, Lord.
We have the number, Mr. Das.
Lordship. 64/25. Dated 15/5/2025.
May approach the appropriate floor. Or Mr. Esther.
I'm deeply obliged, madam.
Yes, Mr. Mahmood.
My lord, this is a POXO case, but it was filed.
Just.
Like I said, that's one I said.
No. Good idea.
Oh, yes. Mr. Mahmood,
My lord, actually, in this case, my lord, the mother of the victim has filed an affidavit, has sworn an affidavit that the case was filed under duress from the leading person, so she's a widow and very weak person. And the girl who filed the case, he has also filed Ukaratnam Mailalet Pet has appeared better. It is completely due to the pressure of
Mr.
local men.
Mahmood,
And I am in custody.
listen to us. First, listen to us. Come to page number 2. Turn to page number 3.
Yes.
What you have seen?
Yes, Shahid Khatun.
Says the victim.
My lord?
Says the victim.
Yes.
Whether the victim name should be incorporated. We will not say anything. It's up to you. We don't have to say. Mistake has been pointed out before you. You should do the necessary correct.
Right, please, Your Lordship. Lordship, in this matter, out of these named cases, one bail application is 23rd. PA 1544/25.
On the prayer of the council for the petitioner list along with PA 1544. Which date? BA 1544 is fixed on which date?
23rd, Lord.
Okay. Get the case there, Mr.
Lordship on 29, Lordship.
Okay. 29 for
Notice,
the-
notice to be.
notice to issue the information during the course of the writing. Yes. Yes, Mr. Burua.
Arrested on 2025 on the basis of an FIR lodged by one Hafidat Khatun member. Filed by the case 9 and it's our order.
Yes, from Laluk.
Mine.
POXO case, Lordship, notice.
We know that.
Lordship. And on 29, Lordship.
Mr. Burua takes steps on the informant during the course of the case.
May I please the lordship? My lord, the petitioner is in custody since 19/12/2024. The FIR is at page 13, my lord.
Let's get it from Kanpur.
On 30th.
My lord, the main accused, my lord, he has been granted bail by this honorable court, my lord, for non-compliance with the provisions of article.
Doesn't matter. But we have to see the verified records first. Let's matter. Get it?
Lodge.
Have you raised the issue, Mr. Bora, in the petition?
Yes, my lord, yes, my lord.
What is the connected application of bail application number?
Annexed T, my lord, bill petition number 382 of 2025. Annexed T, my lord, page 20, my lord.
Where the case there?
My
Yes,
pleasure.
Mr. Collins.
POCSO case, your lordship. Notice may kindly be issued and city may kindly. Pursue.
Take steps on the informant during the course of the hearing. Informing the petition. Mother of the accused. Father of the accused. Corresponding to clear number 210.
Comparison is the offense would come under petroleum act and that is available. Below 2,500, no license is required. Not cheap.
This is from Nulmati.
Nulmati.
So have we tried today is by Friday,
Lodge.
23rd? Also indicate to them. It's available offense, there's a judgment of our high court.
Yes, I have to.
Can you give us the citation?
Yes, we are certified. And lordship. John Kumar Das versus State of Assam. AB number 1200.
Reported judgment is there.
Reported judgment is there. Criminal law and all.
This is Jayanta Kumar Das, when it was decided.
And lordship, when he
Give us the case number.
AB 1205/2007. 2810. 2710/2017. Division bench.
Reported judgment is there.
Lordship, I do not know, I do not find it, because should see it. And there is a Kailas Kumar Agarwala judgment, that is reported. Bibliography.
That is in, I think so, AIR, or in criminal law. Then.
That is also there, criminal law 2018, criminal law 143.
That is also. 1435,
1435, 2007.
2018.
2018 is there.
Okay. Yes, next. Mr. Dasan, by Friday.
Clerkship.
Custodial sentence. Pendency of disposition shall not be allowed. For the authorities of Madhya Police Station. To release and petitioner to if the offense is not. If the offense are not are bailable.
This matter may be taken to PA number 1556725. Why is bail application is pending? Why is bail application is pending? PA number 15567. Plus it is fixed on 23rd.
155
6. That number. 155
of 20
25.
2016.
26.
At least as far as CT and notice may be issued. Usually, my lord, the FIR is registered under section 140 subsection 3, my lord. Later on, section 4 was added. There is the FIR.
Take steps on the opposite party number 2.
My lord.
Father of the victim during the course of the day. This is from
Talakad.
on 30th.
Also, Mr. was arrested on 30 March 2025. As a total action, yes, on this 1 month, 19 days and
Take steps on the informant respondent number 2 during the course of the day. Charge sheet filed
Yes, sir.
when
Filed on 20 April 2025.
what is the case number?
Case number is, option is 8/2027. 8/2027. Special case box.
Boxo case number 8
Yes, sir.
08 2025
Yes, sir.
pending before whom?
Majuli. Special Judge Foxo Majuli.
From session judge.
Special Judge Foxo.
Take steps on the respondent number 2. Mother of the victim during the course of. Case number 08 2025. Along with the records of Majuli PS case number 7/202. Corresponding to GR number 33/202. Ready? See, along with the- As on 30.
Can it be on?
10th of June. 10th of June.
Then please, Lord. Then it is only on the charge sheet is there. Can put in the page 33 minutes. Charges have been killed.
Special indicated indicates case number 16 of the 2025. To read police station case number 313 of the 2024 corresponding to GR number 1036 of the 2025. And on 30/05, 11th of June. From the Court of London Special Judge in the case. Additional from the additional session judge. Okay.
May I please? Madam, can you steady along with this report may be called from? This is from Goronary camp. And the neighbor.
Getting Alamoti medical report. This is from Gorimari. Mr. Das, when?
Lordship on 29.
Are you sure that you will getting on 29?
I will definitely call back.
Very good. Along with the medical report.
Lordship.
Ali.
Earlier rejected.
Section 8 of the Oxford Act. It is behind by about as of today 46 days. Now, I will find on the 31st of December 24. During a celebration of this New Year Day. The informants part of
Okay, we got it. Get it, the eligible scan copy.
I'll may I pray specifically with reference to the notice under section.
We'll get the record first, then if you see there it is not there, then definitely we'll take care. Okay, Mr.
My contention is it is never served on us.
Sure, we'll look at. Also case number 32 of the 2025. Along with records of. The Bluebird Police Station case number 02 of the 2025.
Charge sheet has been submitted.
Corresponding to serial number 2025. As on 30/05/2025. 11th of June. Get it. Take steps on the informant opposite party number 2, father of the victim. By during the course of the day.
Question for procedural. Specifically, that is from
Where is the internal order?
Article 22, Lordship, page number
Page number
22. Petitioner then is not able to pay the file lordship and begin then lordship be one bolero pickup lordship and belong from his elder brother lordship. On the credit of lordship, some liquor was very busy. Bolero pickup lordship and subsequently
Yeah, Hannah, idea. Legible scan copy of PRC number 947 of the 2020. along with the records of Bartow Police Station case number 145. 2019. Corresponding to serial number 3629/2019. Pending before whom? Court of London Subdivision Judicial Magistrate
Number one,
within bracket S, number 1, Kamrup Metro App, Guwahati, as on 30/05. List on 12th of June.
case lordship, the officer case is here lordship, the informant will be mother lordship. And the, as per the allegation lordship, the police registered the case incorporated the wrong section law. This why lordship and in the meantime lordship, I have penalty the lordship case number 24, the victim girl was measured. And even then the informant that nowhere is mentioned, stated any allegation which is incorporated in the section put by the police. My lord, carrying for a moment, lordship, page number 24. At the time of occurrence lordship, and that she was measured more than 8 years. But in the FIR part lordship, nowhere is mentioned she is the underage. Even then not supporting any documents is connected with the FIR. And lordship section 4 is here incorporated by the IO lordship. But in the contents of the FIR, it does not disclose anything. Respondent number 2 is mother.
What is the stage of the proceeding?
Lordship,
What is the stage of the proceeding?
State of the
lordship,
proceeding.
it's a investigation is going on. Lordship. FIR, I'm paying for a person of FIR. Lordship. But because lordship, the section is incorporated in the FIR, register lordship, that is not applicable. That because the allegation is not made in the FIR. Lordship. And we say the section is put by the police. Section 4 is not here. Lordship. And even then the victim is a major of people. And without ascertaining her age lordship, the police registered the case under section Oxford. And case number 24 is the board secondary education Assam lordship high school degree certificate. Date of birth is top part lordship 25/1/2007. At the 11 point of the date of occurrence, she was more than 8 years. In some rivalries, there were from that this is your.
You do not want the case, you can give us the legible scan copy or photocopy of the case.
No.
When
Lordship 126.
list on 2nd of June.
Policy case.
For the scan photocopy, legible copy of the case diary of Sargam Police Station case number 69 of the 2022. So notice that parts of the chap of council referring for the. Take steps on the informant, mother of the victim, the opposite party number 2 during the course of the case.
In the meantime, not to take
Not the stage. Let the records come, we'll consider.
plot. Deeply obliged. Obliged.
Maybe. Once. Lordship in this case, forest department, council forest department. What happened in this case, Lordship? The track was in the year 2019. Ultimately, Lordship, all the proceeding has been concluded. But still, Lordship, track was not released. As because, Lordship, the trial court, Lordship, kindly pay the page 26. Their lordship accused this discharge. And it also given as an observation that this article, if any, shall be disposed of in due course of as per law. Lordship, ultimately, lordship, petitioner was approached when it came into knowledge. He approached before this concerned forest officer, and he, forest officer is informed that there is no order to release this vehicle. So that's why lordship, or initially, the registered owner, he was approached before the honorable court. And during the pendency, petitioner was expired. That's why lordship, fresh application has been made before this honorable court by this legals here. And present petitioner is the son of, I have annexed the death certificate, legal heir certificate, and identity proof of this petitioner.
But Mr. I hope counsel appearing for the petition. And Mr. P. Bothaku,
I what happened?
R.
I.
Bothaku. Special Public Prosecutor. Forest Department, Assam. Respondents. Eligible call copy of the records of CR case number
404.
404 of the 019. Along with the eligible scan copy of the records of. This is, what is the forest case?
Lordship, that is already completed in the year 2020. Lordship, that is the order is annexed, lordship, case 17. Lordship, against this order, lordship, petitioner was earlier approached before this honorable court, that was rejected. Ultimately, that confiscating proceeding already over, lordship. That's why accordingly, petitioner approached before the Supreme Court, and Supreme Court also rejected that order in annex. In this Supreme Court order, lordship, it is given an observation that after culmination of the criminal proceeding, if the petitioner is got convicted, or after completing this proceeding, the petitioner will get his track. So ultimately, lordship, in the meantime, lordship, all the proceeding has been completed and petitioner was discharged from this first offense.
Where is this case? What is the order?
Lordship,
Where is that order?
ethics court. Lordship, kindly come
After the
page 20,
that we have seen, the order of the trial court.
yes, 27, lordship. Sorry, 26. Page 26.
From the court of London. CR case number 404/2019. Rising out of LP of the 4 2019 dash 20 slash 3H of the 4 2019 dash 20. Of the forest officer. Hawaii tongue, French, polite. Okay. From the court of London, additional chief judicial magistrate, charges. Eligible stamp. As on. No. List on 5th of June.
Lordship, one more thing, Lordship. I think Lordship record is available in connection with another case, which is already disposed of on the last 28. I think record is available. I have
No.
annexed order copy.
Where?
Page 23, Lord.
23, that is not the records of the case of the CR case number 404. We will be requiring the CR
It's
case.
reflected. 404 is reflected in page 34.
Yes.
In second paragraph, Lordship.
Mm.
The record already received in this case, Lordship, but due to petitioner died, that petitioner has been disposed. So I think Lordship, this report is available.
Come. Next on 21052025 along with the records of criminal petition number 822/2024. Disposed upon 28/04/2023. Let us see.
Highly
Mr. Bhattakur, it will be a day after tomorrow.
Yeah.
Matter is relating to the juvenility of the accused man, the petitioner. There is a case you worship and see the order in order dated 29/3/25, page 24. He was born on 2021, 2003. And immediately after that, his father submitted an application. Immediately after that point, but he obtained the certificate only after the FIR was born. Thereafter, the filing application, and your worship kindly see the order dated 29/3/25. After examining court is CW1. Number 24. And it's page 21, March Saturday. It was registration number is there 2003. Bottom. On the date of issue is 12/11/20. And page 22, my lord, CW1.
Mr. Das, come to page number 21.
Lordship.
What is the date of birth?
10/11/2003, Lord.
When it was issued?
Issued on Lordship.
Date of application?
2021, Lordship. 12/11/2021.
Registration, about the registration. number.
Oh, that,
Registration.
950/2003.
There is a judgment in this favor. Are you aware?
No, no,
Are you aware?
no, Lord.
While considering these aspects, there are two judgments, not only one.
Lordship.
A division bench judgment in a FT case.
Lordship.
Have any detailed discussion by Justice Yu here. But in another case, with regard to service matter, Justice BK Sharma, it's a reported judgment. Mr. Sharma, Mr. Parashar might know. That judgment of the division bench as well as the judgment when the birth certificates are obtained belatedly. There was a judgment, not only one. Procedure to be adopted. Justice Bhuya discussed in detail. Because Birth and Death Register Act is very clear. There are some rules is there. Hey, Sharma, Vikram.
Section 13 of the Birth
It has been thoroughly discussed. There are two judgments in that way. Okay, I mean, they could- Not a full order. Down to 30. Okay, verify. Let us know day after tomorrow. There are judgments. Mr. Parasar, you were there, I remember in that case. You'll have it day after tomorrow.
Wait, please, your lordship. It's a 528 application, my lord. I am the complainant of an NIA case, my lord. That NIA case was dismissed for default, my lord. Lordship will find that page 49. onwards. I was absent on 3 successive dates. Thereafter, the complaint was dismissed for default. I preferred a revision, my lord. And that revision was also dismissed. I have said this is one of notice made. 49, my lord, is the first order. I was absent without steps. Then 51 and 52, my lord. 52 is the third date I was absent. Therefore, I preferred a revision, my lord. One of the contentions was that the engaged counsel's associate, my lord, he had misposted. The revisional court, my lord. did
If I
not
heard
give-
Mr. S. Nawaz counsel is waiting for the petition. Everybody order. Let it. 20-03-2024 for Karnataka Citizen Senate. In NI case number 120 or 217. In which you have to complain. Comma. Dismissing the same. Comma. The petitioner. Prefer the revision petition. Under section 397 of the 399 CRPC. Before the court of law and assessing judge. So let go. Being criminal revision number 18 of the protocol. After hearing the judgments, after hearing the parties, by judgment dated 07/04/2025, the learned additional session judge FPC Sonitpur dismissed the threat criminal division number 18 of the 2024 of the petitioner, upholding the decision of the learned chief judicial magistrate.
Additional,
Additional,
additional.
page number,
Page number, my lord,
oh, yes,
52, my lord.
additional. CP.
Additionally, they are the same.
Additional CP, yes. And this criminal petition under section 510 BNS. Which will notice returnable by. call for the eligible scan copy of the records of criminal division number 18 of the 2024 from the Court of London, additional session judge practices unit to. As well as the eligible scan copy of the records of an act case number 120 of the 2017 from the Court of London, additional institutional magistrate. So need to Facebook. Placed on. Follow soon notice returnable by 13 June. Petitioner shall take certain step for respond number. So respond by the step of the on of the two quality. Providing it's correct and to correct the steps. After to call for the registered petition.
Copy, kindly passport. Not it.
And the prayer of the council for the petitioner, list of the recommended. Yes.
Maybe the lot. Followed in this case, the investigation of before you got the owner of the track. This like certificate of the district certificate. 24 and type party. Is the track was number certificate by the RI. But for that. Immediately take a rest for the because the vehicle take him out of the vehicle. Investigation based on this
Yes, ma'am.
We'll obtain instruction, Lordship.
Give us a bit.
1 week, Lordship.
whole flag for the
List on 2nd of June. Anomaly MS and Deca, right?
Lord, and Kakoti, Lordship.
And Kakoti. Not council appearing on behalf of the respondent here. To place to live in the courts.
owner of the track.
We'll see to that.
In the meantime, a lot it may protect.
There is no intent, we're fixing it on 2nd.
Obliged, Lordship.
Lordship petition under section 482. Lordship, one similar meter is fixed on 23.
Case number. Case number.
Case number 1544.
1
1544 25.
AB.
That one BA. Present one is AB
BA 15
23
1523
44
1544 2025 123.
On the
Wait, please, okay. No, it's simply very please. The FIR just page 700, also. The most important aspect is that, paragraph 4, page 3, is not the name.
So it is there, it takes steps, Mr. Open on the informant respondent number 2, mother of the victim during the course of the day. Full definitive.
In the
Operational
interim
verification plots. Serving a copy of this to the to the registered person during the course of the. From Sansari, but you take steps today only, otherwise they will not come.
Yeah.
3rd of June. See that microphone is on or off.
My lord, my senior counsel is another court. One matter may be taken after some
When do
time.
you want?
After some time.
Anyway, we have to have the case there.
Lord.
Get the case there
Lordship on
from Manipur. Twenty-eight
No.
or 29?
29.
Okay, get it on 29.
May I please, your lordship. But in this case, your there is no case registered against me, my lord. But that the police is repeatedly, my lord, raiding my house. And I have also inquired that to my personal capacity, but there is no case registered against me. So my learned friend may get instruction as to whether there is any case registered against me. I am agreed. I have annexed, my lord, that annexure 4 that shows that this is the CCTV footage of the, the petitioner's house, that during the night time, the police are raiding his house. In fact, earlier a case was registered against him and he is already bailed in connection with that case. But as on date, to my instruction, there is no case registered against me. But the police is running after me. I have given one photograph and the page number 21, that is the pen drive. There is a video, in which the police entered into my house, and raided my house. And now the petition is escaping, and even in his absence, the police are going there, in his house, and are harassing the family members.
Mr. Das,
Lordship on 26 report. I
this
will.
is from Utalguri.
Lord.
Apart from Urang Police Station case number 91/2022,
My lord.
any other cases in register and apart from,
My-
there is already a case against you.
Lordship. That is the court of appeal.
List on 30,
That will not.
enabling Mr. K.K. Das additional public prosecutor. As to apprise the court as to whether any criminal case been registered against the petitioner under Orang Police Station. Apart from petitioner Hindu Bharat, Sohibul Islam, right, Sohibul Islam. Son of such. Apart from Orang Police Station case number 91. And each of the 11 police station case. And the sections there.
Your till then may I pay for some protection?
Wait till 30th.
I'm obliged.
Yes, Mr. Porter.
Lordship, this is a case under 316/318 BNSS. FIR is at case 10. The allegation is that by blackmailing, all the petitioners are from one family, parents, two sons and two daughter-in-laws. The allegation is of blackmailing and taking money from the husband of the informant, deceased husband of the informant. But that is not at all false allegations. At the insistence of the deceased husband of the informant, we got our land sold, keep some money with him, and he has given something, get an arranged for a shop at Nagaon. We have shifted from Dhing to Nagaon. We have already appeared before the IO on 3 occasions, Lordship, but subsequently IO again issued us notice under 35 and with an intention to arrest us. So we are praying for the anticipatory bail, Lordship, with a further prayer of interim, Lordship, protection. And this 318 and 316, previously it was 420 and 406, cannot coexist, Lordship. FIR was filed after about 1 year. More than 1 year of the alleged incidents on few matters.
Yes, Mr. Das.
On 2/6 lordship.
Hmm.
We have given the actual facts in para 6 lordship of our oral petition.
Mr. Expert Pudhal and counsel is hearing for the petitions, Mr. K.K. Das. Petition has been reported. Apprehending the arrest. And this application under section 480 BMS paying for the arrest paid. Now, obvious case number 338 of the 2025, section charge and charge. Corresponding to GR number 933 of the 2025. From Nagaon, Mr. Das, when
Lordship on 2/6.
placed on 27.
Okay.
For of the poster of Nagaon PH. Till then, in the event of arrest of the petitioners. 3, 4, 5, 6, 12. 45,000 each to local charities. If we have before, the investigating officer that concept. On or before. 22nd. In thereafter.
Lordship protection may be given just 1
3
to
to 6, not for 1 and 2. But we consider the case there on 27th.
deeply obliged.
May I place your lordship? There is 306 days in the custody.
The officer service is complete lordship, so the Americans may be appointed.
Please take care. You have the information.
Yes, Lordship. We have, Lordship. We have received the instruction.
Heard Mr. D. Majumdar, counsel appearing for the petition. And Mr. B. Sharma, additional public prosecutor, appearing for testimony. On instruction, Mr. Sharma, and additional public prosecutor submitted that notice of display application has been served upon the opposite party number 2, informing mother of the minor victim that, however, she did not enter appearance in the matter. In peer book. Now spoken. The pointer as a manifest partition for it. Thursday.
Also, the updated records has to be there, Lordship. Why? Because it should be last date as soon as is.
March 28th.
Yes.
What is the date here?
Because Lordship charges were framed on 19/12/24. It was fixed on 3/4/25 for evidence.
Okay. Such and such could be placed on 06, sorry, 05062025. Call for the legible scan copy of the records of facial look in bracket box over was 93, case number 93 in bracket I. Sorry, J of the 2024. This is J or I, J. The 2024. Effect from 0204 to 025 to 3005 to 03. Register. Number.
Hello.
Petitioner was arrested on 17/3/2024. Under section 22C, 25 and 29 of NDPS Act. At least as on today, Your Lordship, 1 year, 2 months, and 2 days, Your Lordship. Apart from the ground of arrest, Your Lordship, has not been punished. Petitioner, Your Lordship, charge till date, Your Lordship, charge has not been claimed, Your Lordship, and also section 42 42 has also not been complied with. It is reflected in the FIR itself, Your Lordship. I have filed the additional affidavit, Your Lordship, annexing the notice under section 15, Your Lordship.
arrest memo and inspection memo.
Or Mr. Senior, and Mr. Abhishek, regional court prosecutor. That is application. 2702. Special NDPS case number 36, NDPS Supreme. Arising out of further is a police station case number such. corresponding to beer number 550 of the 2022. Was arrested on 16/03/2024. In his determined under sections of the 25 of the 29 on the year 2025. I already submitted on completion of investigation matrix on 31/08/2024 by charge sheet number 117 of the 2024. Charge frame
No, wait, last date, as I have checked through online, your lordship. Not red yellow. Up to 3/5/2025, it is online.
filing. When is the next date?
Next date, your lordship, not updated.
After filing of the charge, which is other whether it's a PS case number, same as in the register, special in the PS case 36 of the 2024. And the matter is pending before the Court of London Special Judge in the case from Session Judge Sri Bhumi at Kringa. Or framing, in the stage of framing of charge. By order date. Zero 06/06/2025. The records of say special NDPS case number 36 of the 2021. It is seen from the records of the case that after the rest of the petition, he along with the co-accused or produced before the mark. After on 17/03. It was produced before the Executive Judicial Magistrate Crime Guns. The first time. On 17/03/2024 itself. And since then, in custody. Matter relates to recovery of 64,320 bottles in 402 numbers of cartons, bottles of liquor. Bottles of 14 phosphate and P-proladine hydrochloride, syrup, Ascap. Each bottle containing 100 ml quantity. From the of Cleveland open body truck bearing registration number PB 13 BB 5534, driven by the petition coming from Guwahati towards Tripura during Naka checking around 0400 AM. On 16/02/2024. Where the petitioner for the assembly was in which one social security was the helper of the truck. The FSL report dated 22nd, 22/07/2002. To confirm the seized item recovered from the position, conscious position of the petitioner. Containing of codeine. As codeine possible. Civil and liquid. The petitioner contended that while arresting him on 17/03/2024, on 16/03/2024, he was not arrested. He was arrested. He was arrested in absence of any relative and of record witness. And further, notice under section 50, CRPC was not complied with in accordance with law as required. In that regard, on endeavor to have the prevalence of that. On perusal of the record, it is seen that though notice under section 50 CRPC was issued to the petitioner on 16/02/2024, but the same is not in compliance. Condition B. Doing that.
Doctor have granted the. You actually kindly peruse the office note dated 7/4/25.
Yes, please illustrate. For dear lordship, lordship petitioner behind the bar lordship 200 days lordship. Lordship victim examined lordship, we have certified copy lordship.
That is not on the record.
What about service report?
He is repaying you. I am waiting for the response number 2.
Yes, what do you have to say? You have said giving something. Yes, Mr. Sharma.
Lordship, here, first is Lordship, only the victim has been examined, Lordship. And if Lordship kindly sees, the charges were framed under 64 2F and 6 of POCSO. Now, Lordship, even accepting Lordship that she has stated that she is 18 years of age, Lordship. If we even admit it, Lordship, then Lordship 64 2F, Lordship, comes into play. That is with regard to rape, and Lordship 2F is Lordship being a relative, guardian or teacher of or a person in a position of trust or
Please, your lordship. Your lordship, the engaged counsel is on his way from the sessions court. Matter is proportional time being complete.
Next item.
PD available.
CD available. We'll take it after some time.
Much.
May I please, Lordship? This is item number 50 and 51 are out of same FIR. And 50 is 859 and 51 is 845. 52 and 51 and 53 are another FIR. Accused number 1 being common in both the cases.
51, 53.
51 and 53 in these two cases, they are in interim bail and they appeared before the IO also. Their statements are record.
50 and 52 are from the same affair.
Same effort.
Which one is taken?
859 and 845.
845,
FIR is at page
845.
17. It starts from 17. The relevant part is at page 21.
845.
It was registered on the basis of the source information.
Eight,
845 is 52.
845 is 52.
Yes, ma'am.
May I please your lordship, the date fixed for calling of the CD and on the last occasion, while passing the entry order, certain conditions were imposed. In this regard, your lordship,
No, item number 50 and 53, I don't, 52 don't, no entry.
Yes, there is no entry.
no
Item
entry was
number
granted.
50 and 52. Let us take those two first.
Which one?
AB 859.
And 845.
845. So I am with 845, that is Pinku Kumar.
If I may, Lordship,
Yes, 845.
while appearing before the IO,
Is
I-
like additional.
845 is in interim.
no,
No,
he was in no interim, but
Okay,
in
that's
other
fine.
case he appeared. Why is in interim?
Pinku Kumar has two cases, right?
Two case, Lordship. 804,
804 and 845.
845.
Now, 845 is in a different FIR.
Yes,
FIR.
there are different.
Can you
FIR.
tell us about?
RC1 and RC2. In RC2, one Pinku Kumar and Jadhav, and RC1, again, Suman and Pinku Kumar.
In RC2 or RC1?
In RC1. RC1.
Now,
Yes, Suman
RC2, Jadhav Paul and
Yes.
Pinku Kumar are there.
Pinku Kumar.
Now tell us about them, whether their custodial interrogations are required.
Yes, yeah. In this regard, your lordship, I would like to apprise your lordship in page number 33, on the basis of which
Of which page, which page?
Pinku Kumar,
This is in Pinku Kumar,
Pinku
845,
Pinku Kumar,
845,
845, 845,
page number 33.
page number 33.
Yes.
This is the crucial part, your lordship. This is a deed of agreement for sale entered on 12th day of June 2023.
Hmm.
At page number 34, maybe it is typed one, and 35 is the handwritten copy.
Hmm.
Here it is written on 12th June 23. They have received the amount 94 on 24, 12,000.
Hmm.
Document itself is manufactured document, and this is the, on this document, they have paid for anticipatory bill. Even in the 35, it is written 12 lakh Tata pay cheap. How on 12th June 23, they will get this amount? This document itself is a manufactured one. Moreover, there is, and there are several transactions in between Suman and Pinku Kumar. That will be reflected from the statement. And again, there is another deed of agreement for sale has been given, that is of February 2025, that is of 65. All these documents are prepared subsequently in a planned manner, after third document, to save themselves.
Hmm.
And Pinku Kumar is a branch manager of the SBI. For any transaction or any purchase of the property, they are supposed, as per the CCS rule, they are supposed to inform the department. There is as such no document filed here that they have informed the department. Rather, it has come to the knowledge that he has already been suspended also. And CD will reveal the number of incriminating documents recovered from the possession of the Suman as well as Pinku Kumar. And those are all vouchers of gold ornaments. On number of occasions they have purchased. Now they have come with the plea that in Suman Pal, there is a one letter that is in 886 that they have returned the money. Now they are not in a position to pay the amount. If I will come in the 886, that is subsequent, which is related to the same RC.
One call is not same RC.
Suman Pal and Pinku Kumar, one RC.
Okay, it is.
RC1 and RC.
RC please.
So now, right now, RC2 is going on. Jadapal. I'm
No,
coming to
whatever
the
you say.
Jadapal. Jadapal is also,
You tell us one by one, we'll consider that way. If you are showing Suman Paul.
no,
because
then it is better to come serially, lordship. Then it would be much better.
Now tell us which one to take,
Seriously, otherwise it is difficult.
which one to take first.
Serially, 50,
50.
50.
Okay.
कौन सा matter है 50? 804,
859. 859.
859. That is of Jadhav.
Hmm.
और जादव के साथ रिलेटेड कौन सा है? RC2. ये जादव के साथ पिंकू. Yes. 859 and 845. It's a related one arising out of the same RC. Here also I am coming, your RC, with the page number 26 here. Same, he has paid 12 lakhs, received. This is executed on 12th day of June 2023, wherein it has been shown that he has received an amount of rupees 12,000 on 9/4/2024, which is next to impossible. Had it been prior to the execution of the sale deed, of course, it can be mentioned here that on such and such date on the past, I have received this amount. This is the future amount. Same thing, it is written in the handwriting also. Here it is written 12 lakh taka pechi, and in the translation, it is written 12,000. Again on 2/5/24, it is written 1,50,000 taka pechi. In the translation, of course, here it is okay. But how it is possible on 23, he will receive the amount of 2/5/2024. These are all subsequently created documents. One loan document has been given. This loan document is entered between the borrower is Jayantapal and name of the co-borrower is Jadopal. Whereas there is an agreement in case of Pinku Kumar and Jadapal, they have entered into an agreement to purchase a plot of land. Whereas in this application, they have given a document which is not related to Pinku. It is in between Jayantapal and Jadapal. And these are the documents which are not related to this, made the basis of getting the anticipatory bail. Even if it is assumed that it is a genuine document, there is no date of reimbursement of the loan amount. It is only the statement which is reflected in 53. On the garb of this document, they have filed this application. None of the document appears to be genuine. And there are several transactions which are available in their CD. CD is available today. Today is also fixed for CD, Your Lordship. We have already filed an objection in this case. And it has already been given the Devinder Kumar Bansal's case. Anticipatory bail can be granted only in exceptional circumstances, where the court is prima facie of the view that the applicant has been falsely enrobed in the crime. Rather, whatever the document is filed here, praying for anticipatory bail, those are all afterthought and created document. Hence, they are not entitled for any protection. Even the document which are filed, it is not genuine. Somewhere it is written 12,000, somewhere written 12 lakhs.
Please, Lordship.
Just a minute.
And even Jadhav is also working there in the insurance section of the SBI. First agreement is in between Jadhav Pal, Pinku Kumar being the second party, and first party is Rupasri, who is the seller. Pinku Kumar is the manager, branch manager of the SBI. Jadhav is there in the insurance section. And subsequently, another agreement has been entered by them. That is at page number 60 without any date. It is in 25. Subsequently prepared to save their scheme. That is at page 60. Jadhav Pal, Pinku Kumar being the second party.
Okay. Only for that you think that custodial interrogation is required? Only for that, because they said that 12 lakhs received sometimes in 2024.
No, not only for that, it is at the initial stage, we have to unfold many things. There are many UPI transaction that has to, still have to be recovered. UPI transaction and many transaction bank transaction are there in between the Pinku Kumar and Jadhav. And the CD is also available that contains lot of vouchers and whatever the documents were received in the Caesar memo. Original documents are there. Many incriminating document has been recovered from their houses, showing the transaction in between the Jadhav and Pinku Kumar. And this transaction is going on from 23. So many UPI transaction and other is required to
Yes,
be
Mr.
recovered.
Prakash.
Worship, all these documents were seized during the search conducted by the CBI from Pinku Kumar lawsuit. There is no new document. Search memo in respect to Pinku Kumar, I have annexed to this 845 lawsuit, item number 52. These documents are very much there. Serial number K lawsuit. It is notarial certificate and deed of agreement for sale between Rupasri Nag and Jadhav Pal and Pinku Kumar. The document which Land Council was referring. And the second agreement also, deed of agreement for sale between Rupasri Nag and Jadhav Pal and Pinku Kumar along with Eastham. Affidavit of Jadhav Pal along with Eastham. So they jointly, they were known to each other because he was a manager in SBI and since 2017, they are known to each other. They jointly intended to purchase a land and accordingly they entered. Now entered into an agreement. This is the agreement for sale. But thereafter, in between them, it was settled that the Jadhav Pal will contribute 65% and 35% by the Pinku Kumar. So making the payment to the vendor, so from one account, Jadhav Pal has transferred account. And lordship, Jadhav Pal obtained loan of rupees 17 lakhs along with his father, and that account amount is also deposited in the account of Pinku Kumar for paying to this Rupasri Nag. So this is not an whatever they are saying. Now another important factor, lordship, Pinku Kumar was examined in this case also. When he appeared before the IO, in this case also examined, he has explained, and Jadhav Pal was not there. So CBI asked them why he had not come. So other two persons are the why he has not come. So they again called them, and he also appeared before the CBI on 9/5/2025, and 5 persons have examined him. They have grilled him. So they have explained whatever to be explained, and they will cooperate with the investigation. And this is a plausible, these are not the defense document. This is all the original documents are with the CBI. And this is the reason I am representing both the private person as well as this Pinku Kumar, because defense is saying they have entered into an agreement, and for paying the sale consideration price, this payment from one account, this transaction has been made. And the loan which were obtained by this Jadhav Pal, page. This is the additional document which was not seized. We have annexed this with the item number 50, the application of item number 50. This is 17 lakh. And the affidavit, this was also seized at page 55, 57. Jadhav Pal has narrated how much amount he has paid to this. All the amounts are depositing in account. There are five amounts which after this loan was sanctioned comes to 17 lakh. So my humble submission, custodial interrogation is not required. Moreover, they have already examined, and if required, they will examine more. And another important thing, lordship, it is in item number 20. Kumar was posted there. Allegation is that while he was posted as branch manager,
in Ramkrishna Nagar branch, 2023 to 24. Now, I have annexed his employment biodata, page 27. He was posted there with effect from 3/7/2023 to 19/3/2024. 3/7. And these agreements prima facie appears to be prior to that, 12/6/2023.
Appointed as the branch manager when?
2/3/7/2023, page 27, Lordship. Second assignment held, second one, branch manager, Ramkrishna Nagar branch, assignment type operational, from 3/7/2023 to 19/3/2024. My humble submission, Lordship, custodial interrogation is not required and they have already examined, interrogated. They may interrogate him further. The petitioners will cooperate with them. They have cooperated, they will further cooperate.
Page number 43 will show the transaction in between the Pinku Kumar and Jadhav since 2003, Your Lordship.
Yes, it is their declaration. They have given the
Page
declaration.
23, it is a Canara Bank statement. All the transaction with Jadhav. All these are required to be unforced. Still,
All
investigation is going on. It is written right from 2/6/23 and onward. All these are with Jadhav. Statement is reflecting since 23 itself. And even the loan paper does not disclose any reimbursement of the loan amount.
Which is relevant.
Yes, definitely relevant. It is only the form and the statement. Whether it has been reimbursed or what is the subsequent development?
Whether, how can a subsequent development? These are dates are there. These are authentic documents. These are seized by CBI. Originals are with CBI.
All his statement is showing Jadhav every time in all. Jadhav and Suman Pal, Jadhav and Suman Pal. Even Suman Pal, these are the common document with all the 4 cases.
Lordship, CBI case, it is affair was registered on 25/3/2025. It is not that case was registered earlier and these things happened. Case was registered much later, and then on 27 they conducted the search. 27th March 2025. So the allegation that these are subsequent documents prepared for these bail, anticipatory bail application, this is not absolutely correct.
But the case record. First two matters 50-50 relates to RC2, right?
Both are together, investigation are done together. RC1 and RC2 are together. Because Pinku Kumar is common in both RC1 and RC2.
The IOs are separate.
First one is RC2.
Take it. We are appearing for Pinku Kumar.
Oh, lordship. Because defense is same.
Pinku Kumar's wife is serving as what?
No, Pinky Kumar's wife is not serving. In RC1, item number 51 and 53, there is an agreement between this private person and wife of Pinku Kumar for sale of the land.
Yes. Mr. Prakash.
Lordship. My humble submission, custodial interrogation is not required because all the document we have relied upon, these are seized documents, as originals are with the this CBI. And already they have examined once. We will cooperate with the investigation, they may examine further also.
Mr. Som, your matter will be on Friday. Friday. Or if possible, you will make it Thursday also. Come up any date, please. Maybe Friday. Friday. Those, Mr. Prakash, just take it.
Lordship.
Mr. Parasar is here. Yes, we will, doesn't matter. We relied on those two decisions, right?
Yes.
Whether Justice spoken and then another judgment of the apex court.
Apex court, yes.
That, cinema.
Yes, Amod. Amod Kumar.
That's right, that's right. The Delhi that cinema metro. Anand Kumar Nath, Amod Kumar Nath.
Amod Kumar Nath.
Okay. Okay.
Friday. Friday. Online event.
Only Jadavpal additional document we have relied upon this loan he obtained along with his father, 17 lakhs, which is also paid to on 5 installments, which was also paid for this also, for payment to the seller of the land.
Or Mr. S.D. Purakash, counsel appearing for the petitioner. And Mr. NMS M. Kumari. Learned Standing Counsel. CBI for the sole respondent. Apprehending his arrest, the petitioner namely certain by this application under section 482 BNS 2022. Wait for his pre-arrest wait in RC number such and such. Registered under section 120B. The IPC. Why in 25th of March 2025 you are doing registering case under 123B? Do BNSS has come into the force? Why are you registering cases in the IPC?
It may be read with it. It is read with it.
Why? Your officers are not trained over. Then why are you registering cases in the IPC in March 2025?
Because offense was prior to the,
It has been clarified by the apex court.
it was offense was at of 23.
For that reason, apex court have clarified.
Probably there.
And section 7,7A 11 of the Prevention of Corruption Act 1988 as amended. It is contended by the petitioner that he works as a, he serves as a SBI Life Insurance Company Limited as an employee in the life, SBI Life Insurance Company Limited. As business development executive at Sensor. And came to contact with one Sri Pinky Kumar, who is an employee of the State Bank of India. When he was transferred to Sensor. And both of them intended to invest their money in some property for which the petitioner paid 65% amount and the remaining 35% was invested by the other person, namely Pinku Kumar, employee of the State Bank of India. According to the petitioner, he is knowing connected with the case and that the respondent CBI has already seized the relevant documents from his possession. The prosecution's case as projected. Is that on Sri Pinku Kumar, manager in the grade scale of Sri Roman Sri, while serving as the branch manager of State Bank of India, Ramakrishna Nagar branch, Karimganj, in conspiracy with his middleman, the petitioner says Adam Paul disbursed express credit loans to various borrowers during the period 2003 to 2004 in lieu of undue advantage of the bribe that were collected by the petitioner and unknown others from the borrowers. Such amounts so collected by the petitioner as middleman in conspiracy with the other State Bank of India manager Pinku Kumar. They were credited in the Canara Bank account of said Pinku Kumar. Taking undue advantage and bribe from the petitioner and others, say Pinku Kumar tried to divert the said bribe amount in the bank account of his relatives and others. There is the case record of RC 020202580002, in which the petitioner is paying for his PRSP. It is seen that the investigation in the nascent stage and the CBI has already procured several incriminating materials with regard to the involvement of the petitioner in an alleged crime. Matter relates to huge transactions of money. The case record reveals huge transaction of money between the petitioner and say Pinku Kumar, lead and branch manager of State Bank of India, Ramakrishna Nagar, and also huge amount of money transacted by said Pinku Kumar for procuring properties in huge cost. As per the documents seized by the CBI. Considering such materials, the case that this court is of the opinion that it is not a fit case to grant PRS by the petitioner. Statement. The respondent CBI has also filed objection with regard to the clearance of the petitioner and relied upon the decision of the Honorable Supreme Court in the case of Devendra Kumar Bansal versus State of Punjab. Finding several incriminating materials against the petitioner against the case of the whole not a fit case to grant free arrest with such and such. Under section 13, grants detective. In the item number 580, branch can go. That's not. Same to- The records placed before the court indicates of investment of huge amount of money and procuring several properties by the petitioner along with his wife. The one being inquired, Mr. Broker has to see that his wife is only a housemaker. Considering sufficient expense. Are you aware? Praveen, whether I don't know whether your petitioner has informed you or not. Within a span of 11 months, how much money he has spent in procuring gold ornament?
There are four numbers of cases now, 886.
Then. 804. This is the sugar to RC 020202580001. Ms. Kumari,
Yes, sir. That's-
to take back these records either tomorrow or today evening after the orders are typed.
okay. Okay.
Such and such. Putting such and such. The court earlier on 30/04/2025 granted interim bail to the petitioner. Pursuant to which he appeared before the concerned investigating officer. And his statement in the court. The case that he placed before the court by the respondent civil indicates sufficient incriminating materials against the petitioner with regard to the involvement of his crime. And as the investigation of the initial stage, finding such incriminating materials, it's not a big case to grant free arrest for the petitioner such and such. That will give up objection 5 for this.
In these two cases, I have filed an additional affidavit.
So you have invested the money in Bihar along with the wife of the petitioner.
No, this was,
Your statements, okay.
it was much earlier, so much earlier. This property was supposed to be sold. That was the agreement was executed between this Suman Pal. And this amount has been refunded also because it is failed. Entire amount has been refunded
To whom?
to Suman Pal.
When?
Lordship. In last amount
If you
was,
have invested, you have given some money to the petitioner, Pinku Kumar. On what basis Pinku Kumar's wife were purchasing property?
no, Lordship. Pinku Kumar's wife was a owner of a land parcel at Patna. Of course, it is Patna. Now, Suman Pal entered into an agreement for purchase of that land. Accordingly, transaction held. Subsequently, it has been failed. It has failed. And Suman Pal issued a letter, thereafter issued a legal notice demanding refund of the money. An entire amount of this 41 lakhs has been refunded. The entire document is there, Lordship. All documents I have annexed.
I think that page 53.
ঠিক আছে।
All these are after suspension, after suspension.
We have seen that.
20th October 2024. When the case is registered, this is important.
Stands written. Same order. Stands written.
আচ্ছা,
My 53 years, better.
Right, that's all right. City was called for my lord, and petitioner is in interim my lord, and petitioner was appeared before the IO my lord. And he says statement was reported as per my information.
Yes, so Mr. Puras.
My lord,
And the main allegation, my lord, my name is inserted as owner of the vehicle involved, my lord. But actually, my lord, the owner is other person. I am not the owner, my lord. Page 16. Moki.
Yes, what is there in
he has appeared statement, my lord, I have not found. Otherwise, my lord, as per the note of the IO, it was kept in a separate sheet, but regarding that separate sheet, I have not found. Otherwise, he appeared. And regarding his ownership, my lord, but the other co-accused has not taken the name of this petitioner, my lord. Very good. Other the co-accused statements of accused, other accused persons.
did not implicate him.
No, no.
Who is the owner of the vehicle?
My lord, I have annexed the RC, my lord, says,
Mr. Puras, as per the case diary, who is the owner of the vehicle?
Owner of the.
Nobody came forward for the vehicle that has been seized in the case. Anyone came forward?
I have provided the photos. Photos of the- Regarding ownership. Regarding ownership. Sorry, my lord, that regarding the ownership.
Now the cup been recovered or not?
How recover? Whether recover?
recovered from other person, my lord.
3 persons were in Malak at that time with that vehicle, and but
My lord, page 17, the seizure list. Recovered from other person, my lord.
What is the finding of the IO with regard to the vehicle? Who is the owner? Because in the FIR, it is name is he is the owner.
But page 16, the RC, copy of the RC, page 16.
I'll just check that regarding the ownership, Malak.
When is the last entry of the case diary?
Last entry is up to 25/4/25.
Then now nobody has said anything. Who is the petitioner is the owner or not? Otherwise suspicion only.
Suspicion, Malak, regarding that only.
That is why I wanted to know who is the owner of the vehicle.
No, I'll check, Malak, only. 2 minutes, I'll check regarding that, Malak. Regarding the ownership number,
Not verified.
Thus, I have not found regarding that. After some time, I just till the other matter I will just check.
Okay, okay.
Can other day, my lord.
No, just tell me.
Yes, yes.
Hold on.
serious perform, my lord.
CD is there.
Yes, come. To find the FIR is 30, my lord. 11 is translated portion, my lord. Departing is the original, my lord. Section 4 is there, my lord, also. Consenting party, my lord.
Any, Mr. Mahajan, you are appearing? As amicus correspondent, rightly. Yes, tell us.
Lordship, in this case, Lordship, date of birth certificate is there, according to which she is of about 17 years, Lordship. Date of birth is 1/7/2008. Moreover, in her 183 statement, Lordship, she has stated that she, with his own consent, Lordship, she has went with her. And but she is also stated that physical relation is also there. But as she is 18 years, her consent does not matter, Lordship. So POXO in effect, Lordship.
Section 4, my lord. Below than 16 years of age, my lord. But he's 17 class.
Where is the medical report of the victim?
It is not there, Lordship.
So,
Prayer is made, Lordship.
where it? Where is our birth certificate?
But certificate, I flag my Lordship. In the CD, Lord.
At the time of the incident, the victim was 16 years, 7 months, as per this certificate. But where is our medical report?
It's not, the prayer is made, Lord.
Get it? Because there is nothing also that she was forwarded for medical.
Prayer is there, Lord.
Where is,
I can tell, Lord.
what happened thereafter?
Thereafter, they are made prayer, but it is not received.
You should have told us.
Lord.
If it is not there, don't place the case there.
Lord.
It's on 28th of May.
Lordship, we will send back the CD or
Get the medical report
Lordship.
or the medical report of the victim girl.
What?
Here the service is complete, Lordship, and the CD has also been received. So an amicus will be appointed, Lordship.
Mr. Mahajan is here, so is he left? Parts of exit program. List on Friday. 15 and name of exit program. Make us. Present the case there. Lordship.
No problem.
Office of approval.
Lordship, your service complete, so I make accordingly.
Please, your Lordship.
Service complete. Oh, I see.
I appear on behalf of informal Lordship. Today I have filed Bokalathama Lordship. I will file objection within 10 days.
Monday next, you have the case there.
Lordship, I have the case.
We'll have it on Monday.
After 10 days.
Your Lordship, the accused person is a government employee. He has to rejoin his profession also, Your Lordship. Government employee. Government school teacher, Your Lordship.
Not on 15th, we'll have it on next, Next witness, the 28.
Lordship, 28.
Please come to the please.
Lordship, constitution could be served to me. Petition will be served to me.
Staff even extra copy of the petition along with the annex.
Much obliged.
Regarding the ownership, just not certain, but this petitioner, Shafiqul was involved in stealing of the cows, he was involved. His statement, recorded, but it was found in the first page of the, he stated that,
Custodial interrogation is required.
মই মুজাফর গাঁও গরু চুর করা ঘটনাটো সত্য মই জড়িত আছিলো and one witness took the name of the this petitioner out. But regarding the ownership, it was not a certain. Now he has appeared, but those 3 person, there are some spelling. Now I have a certain father's name are same. This is the person. He was also involved regarding putting up the scars.
Pardon, sir, I'm still counsel preparing for the petition. The paper for us. Appearing the petitioner and the qualities of the petitioner and the to be in it. For its prayer is very successful. Corresponding to PR number 62 of the program. As for the after dated 03022025 log before the certain Professor Southern Police Station. The case is that around 0300 AM on 01022025, some unknown experience had stolen 2 numbers of cups from his house and illegally transported those cups in a vehicle bearing registration number in the Tata Indica Vista vehicle bearing registration number AS-19E/8219. The informant that I come to know that petitioner is the owner of the said vehicle. And he along with the other miscreants had stolen the informant's cups slash cup. According to petition, he is not the owner of the vehicle involved in the case. And submitted that it is one Mokib Hussein Ilahi is the owner of the said vehicle. Son of one, Zainal Abidi. Earlier, the court by order dated 11/04/2025 granted interim bail to the petition in said for further PS case number 7. Mr. Parasal and additional public prosecutor from the case set for case there that pursuant to the said order of the court 11/04/2025, the petitioner appeared before the concerned investigating officer and his statement has not been filed. Before whom the petitioner admitted that he was involved. Said incident. Further, independent of witnesses also indicated the petitioner reporting with involvement. As the vehicle has been seized, right?
Malak. Vehicle seized.
And the vehicle involved the case has been seized as well as the cows have been recovered. The stolen cows of the informant has been recovered. The court is of the view that custody detention of the petitioner is not warranted for. And in the meanwhile, since this statement has already been reported by the company, custody detention of the petitioner is not warranted for investigation of further police case. According to condition DP. Does the city comply with the condition is to be determined by.
Alright.
In terms of question. अभी case there.
Matlab,
Any materials?
matlab here he also matlab the owner of the vehicle matlab, but on that night matlab when police says that vehicle got an accident, one of the accused injured and 5 cow were also recovered. That accused also not took this name of this petitioner matlab. He said that he was in arrested matlab Bhubaneswar, and from his wife in some occasions matlab, they took this vehicle for other purpose. But one was arrested, he was injured also. He also said other 2 persons names. They were involved, but this petition,
The petitioner is not here. We'll
Yes,
have it tomorrow day. Tomorrow. Tomorrow. Yes. Vikram. Number. Yes. Tomorrow. We'll take care tomorrow.
May I please, your lordship, lordship, there is an unusual prayer. May I allowed to submit it?
What is your unusual?
Lordship, in item number 60, already petitioner is behind bars more than 90
Item
days.
number?
60, 60.
Yes, you have passed the order, I think.
Lordship, kindly, in that order, lordship, kindly a direction may be given to appear before the lower court below. Already charge sheet has been submitted in this matter, lordship.
There probably lordship has called for the scan copy. Scan copy call for the.
In that case, you withdraw this case and you have go approve for this for a regular bill in other case. That's all.
Lordship,
Then also let them do. It will be disposed of.
What's your good name?
R. Shaheen.
At this stage, MSR Sahin, Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner and stuff. In that petition shall approach the petitioner is not pressing this bill application. And that is a approach the forum for it. Okay.
Deeply obliged.
I have already provided the tacit number.
Yes, yes, it is.
এটাই তো থাকা হ্যাঁ কালি না যেতিয়া হয় মানে খালি কোথাও কি করে কালি no 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 কালি no আমার আর্জেন্সি টাইম লাগে কালি আপনার কাজটা ঠিক মানে ভালো সারা অরিজিনাল আছে তো আজি আমি নলো মানুহ নলো আহিছো থেংক ইউ আহিম আছে থেংক ইউ এখন এটা ডায়াগ্রামটা নিয়ে হেরবা বস্তু না বাড়ির ছাড়তে মোৰ জুনিয়ৰৰ বেটাৰ আছেন কলানিলে গুছি পিছত পানী তার করে দিন যাতে যারা সিকিউরিটি তার থাকে ঠিক আছে এরকম না কিছু পাই যা বাহিরে থাকে না